Good morning, welcome to the video. We are in Honolulu and today we are going to
the Botanical Gardens.
The Botanical Gardens, the Botanical Gardens on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. So we're going to get our second bus now from this stop and then we'll see you at the Botanical Gardens.
So we've just got off the bus and now we have to walk about half an hour or something to get to the Botanical Gardens, but already looks amazing.
And just like that, we have arrived at the Botanical Gardens. This is the famous road where you'll see all the photos being taken. I don't think you're actually allowed to take. Are you allowed to take them?
No, that's why I'm saying be quiet. It's
oh. Georgie's trying to shush us so that we don't get caught. But I think we're okay walking along here. Although that sign there does say no photos. Georgie, how do you feel? Georgie's just been screamed at for taking photos in the road.
Complete exaggeration.
No, that is not an exaggeration.
You had to shout because we were that far away.
We continue walking then. We've continued walking and the view's getting better, but we're absolutely exhausted. How are you feeling, George?
Yeah, not good.
Yeah, not good.
Although
sweating.
It's nice to get the steps in and
yeah, true.
see the nice view.
Yeah, but the clouds are like lower than the mountains. You're not allowed to fly a drone in here, but you can fly it like off site and then bring it in the air. But yeah, it looks absolutely amazing. So we're gonna keep walking, and I think there's like a little shop area or something, so we'll see you there.
We are still walking and it's boiling, although it's not that bad.
Piping hot.
And then the views are just amazing though. Although we keep getting driven past, which is
sweating buckets
humbling.
as well. Oh, look at that whip. Can't tell if these things here are cable car things or like power lines, maybe, George?
Not these, but maybe the ones by the map.
Yeah, maybe them ones. So we might see if you can cable car up. I highly doubt it, but we'll give it a go. Seems we've arrived at some sort of car park, so at least now we won't be the only brokies without a car. Pedestrians. Yeah, so I guess I don't know what's around here, but maybe there's a shop. Do you want some little Lucasade, George?
I'm buying more liquids just so I can carry them in my bag.
Georgie's got about
no room.
What? I've got loads of room.
Then why aren't you carrying them?
We found a bench and we're gonna perch on it and rest up with this amazing view. Look at that. Did they film Jurassic Park here, George?
I don't think so.
Maybe that's another place, but it looks like Jurassic Park movie, doesn't it? We've just been chilling on the bench for a bit. Same view as before. George has just nipped to the toilet. I just thought I'd show you my lunch real quick. Well, actually, this is technically my breakfast. Bit of bread, bit of pan, and then nice old lemon and lime Powerade to keep me going. We're gonna have an explore up there, maybe. See some cars come from up there. I don't know what it is, but might be a better view or maybe a bit of a lookout. So we're gonna chill for a bit longer and then head over there. Scrap that. Georgie's just shouted me over. Apparently there is a lake. What, this way, George?
I just saw a sign saying lake.
Oh, okay. So we'll explore up there after, but we'll head to this lake that Georgie's lake. We'll head to Georgie's lake first. Onto the lake we go. Oh, look at that little turtle in there. Donnie's been dead for thousands of years, probably, hasn't he, George?
If he was ever alive.
If he was ever alive. Lake down here. There is no lake.
Yes, that's 10 minutes.
Georgie, look how much of a rebel I am. Georgie's not impressed by that. On the way to the lake, we have come across this building. Oh, it's like pictures and stuff. Is this your cup of tea, George?
No, I don't know.
No. Yeah, straight out of this joint.
And I keep seeing signs saying that you can camp here. I'm not really sure where, although we've only just entered, so.
I've signed us up for tomorrow, George.
Oh yeah. Even though our flight's out tomorrow, you signed us up.
Flight?
Yeah, our flight to. Oh no, it's not. Oh my god, I'm so silly. I thought that we were flying to Maui tomorrow, but we're not. We're actually just going up to North Shore.
This tree was brought here from Mexico in 1847. Great for shade, apparently. I have found a historical water fountain. Look how powerful it is. Oh my! We've continued to the lake after that little incident. You can just about see it through the trees, hedgerow. No more plant facts for us, George?
No, I don't really care about the plants.
George doesn't care about the plants.
If they look nice, I will look at them, but I don't really care to read about them.
Yeah. Well, we'll show you around the lake. Hopefully that should be pretty cool. The sign says the lake's that way, but we're gonna go this way. We're gonna follow the crowd. Oh, George's home's on it. Some little homes up there.
What?
There's houses. Yeah, not much to show you other than the lake, to be honest. Wonder if you can swim in there. Here you go, there's some information coming up. Here you go, take a read of this. Oh, it's flood water. Some more facts and information here.
Kapani Way, Adam for flood control. The US Army Corps of Engineers.
Georgie,
designed and built.
that says Adam.
Oh, you mean a dam, not
A dam, yeah.
They should have made the space a bit bigger, shouldn't they?
So this is like a lake formed by floodwater then, I think. Is that what we gathered from that, Georgie?
Yeah, but like, it's quite a lot of flood water.
Yeah, there is quite a lot of floodwater. Maybe it's just filled rainwater now or something. I'd like to go down to the bottom, but it says do not enter and stop. And I don't fancy getting arrested here, so I'm gonna stop right about here. If anyone's wondering what the view looks like, this is what it looks like from behind.
I bet everybody's wondering.
How many people are wondering?
Probably millions.
5 people are wondering what the view is behind the lake. Yeah. We've come down the other end of the lake. I think you can actually walk around the whole lake, but we're a bit too tired for that, so. But I've just found some like squirrels. I'm gonna go check them out, see what they're saying. They ran in there. I can't see them, and it stinks down there, so I'm gonna head up to wherever George is. Oh, look at that bird, that's cool. Sun's coming out now. We've just been sitting on the grass, chilling, looking at the lake, but to be honest, that's something you could see in the UK, so we're not all that impressed. But we're gonna head back to the, like, what is it, George, like famous area?
The bit that everyone like takes photos of at the entrance.
Yeah, the bit that everyone like, the famous bit, with all the mountains and stuff. Try and get a few little snapshots there. Probably for Georgie's Instagram. Georgie, comments? Probably not.
Today.
Not today, but too sweaty, she says. We've not even made it a quarter of the way back and we've already found another rest point.
Yep.
At least it's got an amazing view. Wish I could stick the drone up here, but unfortunately you can't inside of the grounds. But I think you can fly it like on the street and then get a alright view. How are you feeling, George?
Sweaty, hot, tired, fluid.
Yeah, that makes
the list goes on.
The list goes on. We're gonna try and hitchhike, I reckon.
Oh no.
Yeah, we're gonna try and
Only
hitchhike to the entrance.
Not like further than that.
Yep.
Max wants to go all the way back to Honolulu, as if we were not going to get murdered.
Yeah, I'm gonna meet George in Honolulu.
Well, you won't, you'll be dead.
You mean?
Max is just coming back now. He keeps saying that they need to turn this place into a water park. Put all the slides coming down there, because it's just too hot to be walking around. What?
We are walking back down. We're in absolute agony.
Yes.
No one's picking us up. Oh, pick us up in your Ford Mustang, please, I beg. My legs are giving way. How are your legs doing, George?
My legs are alright. It's more like my tummy and
Yeah.
feeling sweaty and tired and hot.
Yeah, well, we've got another half mile to go back because I think we're like halfway. Oh, pick us up, please. Georgie, the helicopter's come to save us. At least we've got an amazing view to keep us entertained. About 15 cars just passed. Not one of them offered their services.
Okay, so we're just gonna head home now because it's a bit, we're a bit tired.
Yeah, a bit knackered, but thanks for watching. That was the Botanical Gardens. We're heading up to North Shore, so tomorrow there'll be a video out on what we're doing up there, which is like the north side of Oahu in Hawaii.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.